This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to shift potassium with insulin. This process is vital for quickly lowering dangerously high potassium levels in the blood. Insulin facilitates the movement of potassium into cells, effectively reducing its concentration in the extracellular fluid. This rapid action can prevent serious cardiac complications. Always ensure proper medical supervision when implementing this treatment. To initiate potassium shifting, typically 10 units of regular insulin are administered intravenously. This is usually followed by 25 grams of dextrose, or glucose, to counteract the insulin's effect on blood sugar and prevent hypoglycemia. It's essential to monitor blood glucose levels frequently, often every 30 minutes, to ensure patient safety and adjust glucose administration as needed. Before administering insulin for potassium shifting, always confirm the patient's current potassium level to ensure it's truly elevated. It's also crucial to assess kidney function, as impaired kidneys can affect both potassium and insulin metabolism. Always have intravenous dextrose readily available to treat any sudden drops in blood sugar, ensuring patient safety throughout the procedure. After insulin administration, recheck potassium levels within 1 to 2 hours to confirm the desired shift has occurred. Continuously monitor the patient for any signs of cardiac rhythm changes, as these can indicate persistent high potassium or other complications. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized medical advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.